are about fixing the piston. The piston was removed in order to diagnose a leakage from the cylinder. So the mechanics, the engineers, they are on it, trying to raise the cylinder. The ideal thing is for the mechanic to use the forklift or a lifter to raise the cylinder in order for them to fix the piston. But the fork is not around, so what do? We are here to find out. The piston, and we'll be fixing the piston. We'll be fixing the piston here.
Yesterday, I see.
We are initiating different alternatives. The operator is going to stretch the boom.
The operator name is Otto.
The operator is going to stretch the beam.
Call the name Otto.
For we to raise the cylinder from here.
Come. So how we go back? Pull up, make it go back. Wait, go small. Yeah. Take hammer. Make it that small. Yeah. Small. Don't do that.
So now the piston is gone in. The piston is gone in. At the watch. So finally, the piston is gone in. Finally, the piston is gone in. The piston is going in once again. Gone. We are about locking it. After inserting the pin, you have to lock it. Otherwise, it will shift off from its hole. So we are removing the bolt, the hose there, the bolt of the hose, in order to gain access. In order to gain access to the pin here. Be careful here, otherwise it will splash. There is a high pressure. So you have to be careful here. The machine was just turned off. So you have to be careful as the engineer on loose so you can see. The engineer is inserting the pin. So the pin has been inserted, you can see. So we are bending the pin. The lock, sorry. We are bending the lock for it to be stable. So we are bending the lock. after bending the lock, and we'll re-fix the hose of the boat back. The engineer is making sure the boat is well tightened. It's well tightened, and the pin will not gain. The locker of the pin will not come off easily.